My dear students, good morning. Have a nice week. With you, we already did geometry, some part. Now we will start to do 9.2, page 132, angles and common shape. I hope you will understand my explanation. You're already familiar with my explanation, and I think these videos will help you to understand easily what is the topic about. Now, angles and common shapes. Angles and common shapes. We did with you what's alternate angle, what's corresponding angles, what is right angle, what is obtuse, what is straight line angle. We already did them. Now we should start angles in common shapes. 9.2. Now, what does it mean angles in common shapes? We will find some of the angles in the different kind of shapes. For example, triangle. You know that in the triangle, all three angles totally will give us 180 degree. For example, if you have two angle and one missing angle, you can add them 88 plus 34 and subtract from 180 will give you x. You can write like that your formula. 88 and 34 makes 122. 180 is total. Total minus 122 will give us the invisible angle. Which one we don't know. Again, in the next page, you can see a little bit different kinds of triangle and one straight line. What's this straight line? This straight line's name is apex. Apex is always stays the top of the triangle and touching to the corner of the triangle. Now, this line should be the parallel to our bottom line. These lines always should be the parallel to each other. Now, if these lines parallel to each other and apex to touching our corner of this triangle, top part, it means that this triangle, which one is made by the line X, Y, Z, they are totally 180 degree. X plus Y plus Z equal to 180. And in side angles also, C plus A plus B equal to 180 degree. It means that these three angles sum equal to these three angles sum. You can see in here X plus Y plus Z equal to A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Let's go to the quadrilateral. You know that in the quadrilateral we have 1, 2, 3, 4 side and 4 different kinds of angles. These all angles totally will give us 180 degree. Why 180 degree, you can ask? Because you can see in here 1 and 2 different triangle. It's second triangle and it's first triangle. This triangle, first one, angle sum is 180. Second one's angle sum is 180. 180 plus 180 will give us 360 degree. Now, in here there is an explanation. You can read also. In here, Z plus W plus X plus Y will give us also 360 degree totally. Now, look. They explained in here. They divide this angle to this quadrilateral to different kinds of triangle, and the first triangle is 180 sum of the angles, and the second ones also will give us 180. Look, A plus B plus C 180, D plus E plus F makes 180. 180 will give us total 360. It means that all these angles will give us 360 degree. Now, for example, there is a like that shape, equal quadrilateral again. There is different kinds of angles you can see. These all angles will give us 360 degree, and we can find the unknown angle. 92 plus 110 plus 128 will give us 330. If we will subtract 330 from 360 will give us the unknown angle. It means that X is 30 degree. Now, there is a new topic also, exterior angle. What's exterior angle? You can see that there is 3 angles inside of this triangle. This 3 angles name is interior angle. Interior, you can take a note. But this angle, which one is staying outside? It is exterior angle. This exterior angle and one inside angle will give us totally 180 degree. We did this topic with you. You can revise it. Now, this exterior angle is equal to another, not the same side angle. It's equal to another 2 angles total. For example, if it is 30 and if it is 70, total exterior angle will give us 100, not, let's say 80, and for example 50. 80 and 50 will give us 130 degree. Really, exterior angle is more than 180 and it will give us totally 130. If I want to find inside angle B, I will subtract 130 from 180 and it will give me 50 degree. The exterior angle is related to the interior angles as shown in the proof opposite. Now, let's go to the next page, page 134. There is also another example. I told that these 2 angles sum 45 plus A will give us the exterior angle 101. It means that A is 101 minus 45 and A equal to 56. You can see the calculation also in here. Now the next one, there is angles. Find the missing angles in the parallelogram. To find angle B. Now there's 81, C and B. We don't have B and C. We need too many angles for finding the another ones. Now, if the one is 81 and there is 2 unknown angle, how we can find them? To find B, we need to move this side a little bit more. I did it. I drew a little bit more. Look at, they drew a little bit more and they put from themselves A angle in here. This A and B should give us 180 degree. If this angle, you can see in here F shape. If it is F shape, it means that 81, A is also 81. A is 81, B is 180 minus 81 and it will give me 99 degree. It means that B is 99. Oh, I found B. Now, how can I find C? If B is 90, C is also 99, it's also 99 degree. It's the rule of parallelogram. Parallelograms, opposite angles are the same. Look how I did. I made a little bit long this side. I put from myself A angle, exterior angle, and interior angle and exterior angle. This interior and exterior will give me 180. First of all, I know that in the F shape, one inside angle is the same with another outside angle. I said that A is also 81. 180 minus 81 will give me 99 degree. You can see the same calculation in the another part of your book. Now, from exercise 9C, you can start to do all of them one by one. I am taking the video like that. If you don't have a book, you can see easily from my video. Find all angles and send me. If you will have a problem, if you will do something wrong, I will explain and send to you again. I will share with you pictures as well. Now there is a note which one I wrote for you. Please close the video, pause the video and write down this note. I hope you can see, write all of them in your copybook, because when school will open, I will check all of them. Thank you for your attention. If I did any mistake, any word mistakes, please forgive me, because it's first time I'm taking like that videos. I hope everything will be really good. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye and good luck.